Setting up Amazon WorkSpaces Thin Client is easy, and in just a few simple steps, you'll be connected to your AWS end-user computing services. Let's start by ensuring you have all the included items. Connect the wired or wireless adapters for your keyboard and mouse, and optionally, your wired headset and webcam to the USB-A ports on the hub. Then connect the secondary monitor to the HDMI port. Connect the power adapter to the power port. Now, you can connect your hub and monitor to your Amazon WorkSpaces Thin Client. Use an HDMI cable to connect the HDMI port on your primary monitor to the HDMI out port on the Thin Client. Next, connect the USB-A plug from your hub to the USB port on your Thin Client. Now, connect your Thin Client power adapter to the power port. Plug the power cords into a power outlet. Once powered on, follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the service. If you are connecting via Wi-Fi, have your password ready. First, select the language. Then select your keyboard type from the options shown. You will now connect your Amazon WorkSpaces Thin Client to your network. Once it scans for available wireless networks, select your network from the drop-down list. The final step is logging into your AWS end-user computing desktop using the instructions from your IT administrator. Once logged in, you can access your application on your remote desktop service.